The new neighbor.
Oh, hello there. Do you need some help with that box?
Hi, yes, that would be great. It's heavier than it looks.
No problem. Let me hold the door for you.
Whew, thank you so much. I'm Tom, by the way. I'm just moving in.
Welcome to the building. I'm Anna. I live right here.
It's very nice to meet you, Anna. Sorry about all the mess in the hallway.
Please don't worry about it. Where did you move from?
I moved from a small town about 2 hours away.
Oh, welcome to the big city then.
Thank you. It's very different, but I'm excited. I moved for a new job.
That's great. What do you do?
I am a chef. I work at a new restaurant downtown.
A chef? Wow. My favorite hobby is eating food.
That's a good hobby to have. What about you, Anna? What do you do?
I'm a student. I study art history.
Art history? That sounds very interesting and very different from cooking.
It is. Well, I have to go now, but it was really nice to meet you.
You too, and thank you again for the help.
Anytime. If you get hungry later, there is a fantastic pizza place on the corner.
Good to know. I love pizza. Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. See you around, Tom.
See you, Anna.
The hostel kitchen.
Hello. Are you looking for something?
Oh, hi. Yes, I can't find a pan to cook my noodles.
Ah, I used one yesterday. Let me see. They are in this drawer. Here you go.
Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver.
No problem. I'm Sophia.
I'm Kenji. Nice to meet you.
You too, Kenji. Where are you from? You don't sound like you're from here.
I am from Japan. I'm studying at the university for a year.
Japan. Wow. I am from Spain. I am just traveling.
Spain is a beautiful country. What do you do in Spain?
I am a photographer, so my job is my hobby.
That's a very cool job. You get to see many things.
Yes, I love it. What about you? What are your hobbies?
I like listening to music and playing video games.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I really like jazz music. It helps me relax.
Me too. I love jazz. That's a nice thing we have in common.
Yes, it is.
What is your favorite food from Japan?
My favorite is ramen, for sure.
I love ramen. It's so delicious.
It is.
Well, I am making some coffee now. Do you want a cup after your dinner?
Yes, please. That sounds very nice.
Great. We can talk more about jazz music.
Perfect. Thank you, Sophia.
Waiting for the class.
The teacher is a little late.
Yes, I was starting to think I was in the wrong room.
Me too. But this is the right place for the painting class, right?
I think so. My letter says Studio 4.
Mine too. Okay, good. My name is Maria, by the way.
I'm Leo. It's nice to meet you, Maria.
You too, Leo. Is this your first time taking an art class?
Yes, it is. I am a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Everyone is here to learn. It will be fun. What do you do for work, Leo?
I'm a programmer. I work with computers all day.
Wow, that's very technical. I'm a student. I study music.
Music? That is very creative. So what brings a music student to a painting class?
I love all kinds of art. Music is my study, but painting is my hobby to relax. It's a different way to be creative.
I understand that completely. My job is very logical, so I wanted a creative hobby.
It's a perfect balance. So, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
I love dogs. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
A dog person and a cat person. Very different.
Well, class is starting. Are you still feeling nervous?
No, actually. I'm not nervous anymore. Thank you for the nice chat.
You're welcome. It was nice to meet you, Leo.
The weekly wash.
Excuse me, I think you dropped a sock.
Oh, thank you, dear. These little things are always running away.
No problem.
You must be new here. I don't think I've seen you before.
Yes, it's my first time. I just moved into an apartment on this street.
Well, welcome to the neighborhood. My name is Clara. I live in the house with the big garden.
I'm Ben. It's nice to meet you. A garden sounds lovely.
It's a lot of work, but it's my favorite hobby. Are you a student?
Yes, I am. I study history at the university.
History. How interesting. I was a teacher before I retired.
A teacher is a great job. What did you teach?
I taught science to young children.
That's very important work.
Thank you. So, what do you like to do for fun, Ben? Besides laundry, of course.
Well, I love to read. I also like to play the guitar.
Music and books. That's very nice. Do you like sports?
Not really. I prefer quiet activities.
I understand completely. I prefer a good book to a loud game. Well, I am all done for the week.
My machine is almost finished.
It was very nice to talk with you, Ben.
You too, Clara. It made the time go faster.
I'm sure I'll see you here again. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Setting up for the day.
Good morning. Excuse me, you look like you know what you are doing.
Good morning. I've done this a few times. Do you need some help?
Yes, please. This is my first conference. I don't know how to build this display.
No problem. They are all a little different. Let me see. I'm Nina.
Leo, thank you so much. It's nice to meet you.
You too, Leo. Ah, I see the problem. This piece is upside down.
Oh, of course. Thank you. What company are you with?
I'm with Cityscape Books. We publish travel guides.
That's a cool job. I'm with Future Tech. We make phone apps.
So we are neighbors for the day. It's always good to know your neighbors.
I agree. What is your job in the company?
I work in the marketing department. And you?
I am a programmer. They wanted a technical person to be here.
That's a good idea. Do you like your job?
I love it. I love solving problems. It's like a puzzle.
And you have a puzzle right here with this display.
Exactly. What are your hobbies when you are not working?
I like to go to the cinema. I love movies.
Me too. My favorite movies are comedies. I love to laugh. It's finished. I could not do it without you.
Teamwork. Now we just have to wait for people to arrive.
It was really nice to meet you, Nina.
You too, Leo. I'm going to get a coffee. Would you like one?
I would love one. Thank you. It's nice to start the day with a new friend.
At the dog park.
Hello. Your little dog is very brave.
Hi. Yes, she thinks she's a big dog. Her name is Mimi.
My dog is Buddy. He is big, but he is very gentle.
He looks very friendly. I'm Chloe, by the way.
A pleasure to meet you, Chloe. I'm David.
You too. Do you come to this park often?
Almost every day. It's a good way to relax after work.
I agree. What do you do for work, David?
I am a baker. I own a small bakery in the town center.
A baker. That's amazing. I bet the food is delicious.
I try my best. And what about you? What do you do?
I am a graphic designer. I work from home, so I am on my computer all day.
It's good you can bring Mimi to the park for a break.
It is. This is our favorite time of the day.
So, is walking in the park your hobby?
Yes, this and watching old movies. What are your hobbies?
I love to work in my garden. I grow vegetables.
You have a garden? I'm so jealous. I live in a small apartment.
A garden is nice, but an apartment is easier to clean.
That is very true.
It looks like our dogs are tired now.
Yes, playtime is over.
It was very nice to meet you, Chloe, and Mimi, of course.
It was lovely to meet you and Buddy, too.
I hope we see you here again tomorrow.
Yes, definitely. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye.
Sunrise jog.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you while you're running.
Oh, hello. It's no problem.
I'm new to this area. Is this a good path for a long run?
It's the best one. It goes along the lake for 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers? That's perfect. Thank you. My name is Ben.
Hi, Ben. I'm Anya. Nice to meet you.
You too. You seem like a professional runner.
Not at all. I just come here every morning before work. It helps me wake up.
Me too. I am not a morning person, but I love the quiet.
What do you do for work, Ben?
I'm a high school teacher. I teach math.
A teacher. My mother was a teacher. It's a very important job.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm a photographer. I mostly take pictures of food for restaurants.
Wow, a food photographer. That sounds like a fun job.
It is. My hobby is my job. Do you have any hobbies besides running?
I like to play chess with my friends. It's a very different activity.
Yes, one for the body and one for the mind. Well, this is my turn. I run a shorter loop.
Okay, thanks again for the help. It was nice meeting you.
You too, Ben. Enjoy the rest of the path.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow morning.
I hope so. Goodbye.
The early morning tram.
Good morning. It looks like the tram is running a little late.
Good morning. Yes, by a few minutes. It's okay. The sun rises beautiful.
That's a positive way to see it. It is a lovely morning.
I love the city at this time. It's so calm and quiet.
I agree completely. I'm Martin, by the way.
Julia, it's nice to meet you.
You too, Julia. You must have an early start to your day.
Yes, I work at a small cafe that opens at 7. I'm the baker.
A baker? So you are the reason people can have fresh bread in the morning.
Yes, I suppose so. And you, why are you up so early?
I have an early flight. I'm going to London for a business meeting.
Oh, you're traveling for work? What is your job?
I am an engineer. It's not as interesting as baking.
I think engineering is very interesting. It is very different from my job.
Do you enjoy being a baker?
I love it. My job is my hobby. I love to create new things.
That's the best kind of job to have.
What do you do for a hobby, Martin?
I like to go cycling on the weekends. It helps me think.
Cycling is great exercise, very popular here.
Ah, I think that is our ride.
Yes, I see it coming.
Well, it was a pleasure talking with you, Julia.
You too, Martin. Have a safe flight and a good meeting in London.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day at the cafe.
I will. Goodbye.
A crowded coffee shop.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much. It's very busy in here today.
It is. The coffee is very good, so everyone comes here before work.
I can see why. I'm Marco, by the way.
Hi, Marco. I'm Lena. Nice to meet you.
You too. Are you on your way to work?
Yes, I work at the bookstore down the street. I like to read a little before I start.
A bookstore? That sounds like a lovely job.
It is. I love books. And what about you?
I am an architect. My office is nearby.
Oh, an architect. Do you design houses?
Yes, houses and small buildings. It's a creative job.
So your job is also your hobby?
Sometimes. My main hobby is hiking. I love the mountains.
Hiking is great. I prefer something more relaxing. My hobby is painting.
A painter and a book lover. You are very artistic.
I suppose so. What is your favorite food, Marco?
A strange question for the morning, but I think my favorite food is pasta.
Me too. I could eat pasta every day.
Well, I need to get to the office.
Me too. My break is almost over.
It was very nice to meet you, Lena.
You too, Marco. Enjoy your day.
Thanks, you too. Maybe I'll see you here again.
I hope so. Bye.
The first bread of the day.
Good morning. It smells wonderful in here.
Good morning. It's the best smell in the world, I think.
I agree. I can never decide what to get. Everything looks so fresh.
The Gipfelli are always warm at this time. That's my recommendation.
A warm Gipfelli sounds perfect. Thank you. I'm Elena.
I'm Lucas. It's nice to meet you.
You too. You are starting your day very early.
Yes, my work starts soon. I am a construction worker.
Ah, an early job. Me too. I am a nurse at the city hospital.
A nurse is a very important job. Thank you for what you do.
And thank you for building our city.
So, you are getting breakfast before your shift?
Yes, always. Just something small. I don't like big breakfasts.
Really? I need a big sandwich. I get very hungry at work.
What is your favorite sandwich?
Bread with cheese and salami. Very simple.
A classic choice. Well, it was nice talking with you.
You too, Elena. I hope you have a quiet day at the hospital.
Thank you. I hope your day is a good one too.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.